Waterfall model is a traditional and linear software development methodology that follows a step-by-step sequential approach. Progress is seen as flowing steadily downwards through phases, just like a waterfall. Requirements are gathered and documented to understand what the customer needs and expects from the software. System and software design is created to plan how the software will be structured and how different components will interact. Actual coding and development take place based on the design specifications, and the software starts to take shape. Completed software is tested to identify and fix any defects or bugs to ensure it meets the specified requirements. After successful testing, the software is deployed to the customer or end users, marking the completion of the project. Maintenance phase begins to fix issues, make updates, and ensure the software meets users' needs over time. Advantages of the waterfall model include simplicity, clear documentation, and suitability for small projects. Disadvantages of the waterfall model are limited flexibility, long delivery time, and late customer